Hello Internet, I am Rashmi and today I am going to discuss another expression transformation scenario, and the scenario is this one. Design a mapping to load the cumulative sum of series of employee table into target. Okay, so here as you know that it is saying that you have to find out sum of series, cumulative sum of series of employee table. It means your source is database. Okay, so my source is here database file, and let us take my target is a flat file. Okay, so I am going to load the cumulative sum of employees table into target flat file. Okay, so let's do it. I am going to show you the employee table here. So let us see the employee table. Select star from employee. Okay, okay, just a second. Okay, here select. So this is my employee table. So let us do one thing. I am going to find out the cumulative sum of salary column. Okay, so let's do it. Only I am taking the salary column. So my source is EMP table. Okay, so go to your Power Center Designer, and already I have inputted my source here. Let us see. My database is Scott database, and here yes, EMP. Here EMP table is there already. So I am just what I am doing. I am going to source analyzer, clear all, simply drag and drop. Okay, or else if you know how to input source, again I am going to explain the same thing. Go to sources, click here, import from database, because your source file is database, so click import from database, and here you have to give your connection, which database connection you are having. Okay, mine is Scott Oracle database, so this is the connection. Username, password you have to give and connect. Scott, and here the tables of my Scott database. I have my temple employee. What do you have to do? Select this one and click here OK. That's all. Okay, already I have my table, that's why I am cancelling this one. So this is my source. Okay, and what I told you that my target is a flat file. So let us create a flat file. So I am creating one file here. Click on new, text document. I am giving my target name as this one, EMP dot cumulative sum. I am find out the cumulative sum, that's why this one is my target. And what I want here, I want here cumulative sum. No, I want here for salary column, and after that cumulative sum. Okay, so let's give some default data here. Okay, save it. Then go to your Power Center Designer, go to Target Designer and clear all. Input here target. Our target is flat file. Okay, so import from file. Then where is my file? I think so in it's in F drive and file. Okay, here always this is my file. Click on OK. Import field names from first line, so that is going to import from first line. Click on next, again next, and finish. So already my table is there. I am replacing it. Okay, replace. So this is my target now. Okay, see here, you can see in your target where it is. Yes, this one. Okay, so got it. So next go to mapping. So I already created a mapping. I discussed in previous video how to create your mapping. Go to mappings, create, and give some name here and click on OK. Okay, so my mapping name is here. This one is mapping name, M underscore EMP underscore cumulative sum underscore salary. I'm taking cumulative sum on the basis of salary. That's right. Okay, so take your source is your employee, target is your, yes, this one, drag and drop, that's it. So this is your source, by default source qualifier you can find, and your target. So what is our scenario? We have to find out the cumulative sum. So to find the cumulative sum, you have a formula, okay, that is in expression transformation. So go to your expression transformation, click here, and I want only salary column from employee, so only select salary column and take it to the expression transformation. That's all. Then double click in expression transformation, go to port, and I want a new port which is going to calculate cumulative sum. Okay, so it is going to calculate cumulative sum. Okay, and it is of data type is decimal type. Okay, and it is a output port, and here I am going to pass some expression. Click here, and here you can see, just expand this all function, and here you can find out function called cumulate. See here, it is showing returns the running total by row for a set of values. Okay, so I am going to calculate cumulative sum of salary. So I am going to double click here, and I am passing here the port salary and validate it. Expression passed successfully. Okay, okay, apply. Okay, that's it. Okay, next what you have to do, you have to pass this to port to target. Okay, so connect this one to target. That's it. Save your mapping. So it is showing your mapping is valid. Here you can see your mapping is valid. Then go to your workflow manager. Okay, there you have to create your session. Go to workflow manager, create a workflow, click on here, create, give workflow name, and okay. Okay, so workflow name is this one, is my workflow. Okay, so create a session here, create this one, my mapping. Okay, link your session, double click on your session, go to mapping, check your source connection. It is your relational connection because it is a database DB connection. Okay, then go to target and your target file directory. Which one is your target file directory? Give your target file directory name. This time my file is here, so copy it, go to workflow, paste here. What is my target file name? emp underscore cum underscore salary. So give here the same name, emp underscore cumulative sum underscore salary dot txt, because it is a txt file, text file. Apply. Okay, save your workflow. So it is showing here, see, workflow is valid. Now you have to start your workflow. Okay, so right click, start workflow, go to monitor. Here you can see your workflow. Just a minute. Applied rows, this is your source file 14 and your target also rows 14. Let's check our output. See here your what is our output, salary and sum. So salary is 800, cumulative sum is 800, then 1600, 800 plus 1600, 2400, 2400 and 1250, 3650. So this is the cumulative sum and you got your output. That's all for today. Thank you guys, and please like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.